Hello everyone! I've always been fascinated by how we deliver documentation to GitHub when we are done with a project or with a specific software feature. For that reason, I create the Elemental Readme repository, which contains basic Markdown elements that we can add to our documentation on GitHub. We can use it to quickly create nice Readme files. Let's see what it contains.
For example, table of content or TOC. You can copy this code and personalize it with your own content, and we can have something like this. If our README is really big and we have several topics, we should auto-generate a table of content. You can go over this link and follow the instructions according to your operating system. With this guide, it is quite easy to generate our talk. Badges. To insert a badge in our README, we should just generate a link with the labels and the color we want. Use shells.io to generate your badge. Here, we need to specify the label, the message, and the color, and generate our badge. We can copy this link and use it into our README, like this. We can have badges to specify the version of Python, to say that we are welcome to contributions, we say that our dependencies are up to date, and we are welcome to pull requests. Feel free to explore and create your own badges. We can use the symbol to quote a text in our README. The result is this: bold, italic, and underlined. We use double asterisk for bold text, single asterisk for italic text. We use title to underline a word, and we use 3 asterisks to say this is going to be bold and italic in the same time. Insert an image. We can copy this code to have an image in our README. Like this. We need to add the width and the height of the image and where they are located. Insert a GIF. Similar to an image, the only thing that is different is that this is another kind of extension. This is a GIF. Mermaid Diagrams. Now GitHub Readme supports Mermaid Diagrams. We can create flowcharts and other kind of diagrams that you want. For example, this is a flowchart and to take a decision, and we have another kind of diagram here. This is pretty good because we can add links here in this diagram. You can find more information in the official page of Mermaid. Here there is a lot of information. Here you can go deeper and create more the diagrams that you want. References. We can create external references to resources outside our repository with this. We can also create references on the same README page and to another documents or files that are in the same repository. Insert emojis. We can use emojis just adding this code. We can have something like this, and you can find the complete list of emojis here. You can use it according to the category. Insert code. To insert code, we just need to specify the type of programming language that we are using for that piece of code. For example, this is Bash, hello world. This is writing Python, just a hello world. This is HTML. I can do the same with Java, with C, with JavaScript, and this is the result. We can also create lists with subcategories, like this. With tables, we can create tables with dashes and vertical bars, and we can add more columns, like this. This is the result of this table. We can add also emojis. Checklist. X is used to check an element in the list and leave it empty when you don't want to select it. For example, fruits and animals are selected, but objects don't. Keyword inputs. If you are using keyword shortcuts writing in this way, in your Readme will make it look great. Videos. We can use the simple way to add a video in our Readme. We can specify the width and change the size of this picture, and we can add the source of the video. We can also customize it with this another code where you can specify where your video is going to be located, left, center, or right. Footnote. Use Footnote to give more details about an expression or a word. For example, if I go here, Footnote, I'm going to click it, and this is going to link me to this reference. That's it. I hope it will be useful for those who are starting with the creation of documents on GitHub, and if you have any question, please write it in the comments below, and also you can reach me by Twitter or LinkedIn. Bye bye.